make money on Freelancer as a presentation specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to hire a presentation specialist, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go to by skill, and then I'm going to search for presentation specialists. And if you can't find it in the by skill, you can go to skill categories. Then you'll be able to find whatever you're searching for. Or you can just basically just post a job in here and freelancers will apply for it. And then in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create, why you need to create a profile in here and how you can create it. And also I'm going to show you how you can search for these posted jobs in order to apply for those jobs. So here first, let's find presentation specialists. So here we're in the websites, IT and software category. Let's go past this one. And here we have the writing and content category. We have a blog, headlines, essay writing, English translation, ebook, domain, content. We have legal writing, medical. We have pitch deck writing, and we have PowerPoint. We need to find presentation specialists, but I think pitch deck is another name of presentations. And let's see if we can find something else. Here we have design, media, architecture, animation, design, model maker, modeling, AV design, Adobe Flash, album. It's all the A. We have here B, C, F, G, and this is the P. We have presentations. So this is what we were looking for. So let's go with presentations. Just to show you an example of the profiles I'm going to show you how you can create. So here, hire expert presentation specialists for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see all of the presentation specialists profiles. So here these are the presentation specialists and their profiles. You can also see how much they're getting paid per hour, and by going to their profile you'll be able to see much more. So let's give it a few seconds to load. And guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, how to drop a cover photo, how to add a profile photo as well, how to add your description, how to verify all of these verifications. These are really important. This will make you gain more trust and credibility in the client's eyes, and having more trust with the client means having more clients and eventually means more money. And also I'm going to show you how you can drop your portfolio as well. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your profile. So here let's click on freelancer logo to go back to the main page, and here click on earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login and give it a few seconds to redirect you to your dashboard. So here, this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. So here, let's go to your top right in this button, and here you can control everything about your account, from viewing your profile to your membership your account analytics, your web insights, your settings as well. And also you can manage everything about your finances, from your balance to adding funds, withdrawing funds, checking your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. So let's go to view profile in here. Give it a few seconds to load, and here as you can see our profile looks pretty empty. So let's start by editing. Click on edit profile in here, and you will need first to verify your email. As you can see, email verification required, so make sure to verify your email first, then proceed to add in a profile picture, then add a cover photo as well. And also the profile picture is very important, guys, because there is no client that will work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. And after you're done with that, then you proceed to add in the verifications. As you can see in here, make sure to have all of these in check. As I mentioned in the beginning, those are very important when it comes to gaining trust between you and the clients. After that, you proceed to choosing your hourly rate, then choose your professional headline, and then make sure to enter a good summary for your profile. And the summary is just a description, guys. It's where you're going to talk a little bit about yourself, your skill, and your years of experience. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove these ones and let's add our actual skills, which is presentation specialist. So let's see what we can find about presentation here. We have presentations, and here scroll down and click on save to save those changes. After that, you scroll down to add your portfolio. This is where you can add your portfolio. Then you proceed to add in your experience, add education, add qualifications, and publications also. All of these things will help you gain more trust and credibility in the platform. And after you make all of these adjustments in the profile, then it's time to make some money. So go to browse in here, click on projects, and then you'll be able to see all of the posted projects from people who are looking for freelancers to hire. So you can just check the project, check the description, the skills required, the money that the owner of the project is going to pay, and then if you like the project, you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.